Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, student? Come again in English class with me, Ma'am Ermawati. Hello class. Our topic today is chapter 2 in second meeting. Let's live a healthy life. We will learn to agree and disagree with a suggestion or an idea. Oke, student. Sekarang kita lihat tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Setelah mempelajari topik ini, siswa dapat memahami latar belakang dan tujuan menguasai kemampuan menyatakan maksud dan tujuan melakukan suatu tindakan. Okay, class, pay attention about the dialogue. In this dialogue, there are Lina and Tiara. Lina said, "What happened with you, Tiara?" Lina berkata, "Apa yang terjadi denganmu, Tiara?" And Tiara answer, "I've got a toothache. It really hurt me a lot." Saya sakit gigi. Itu sangat menyakiti saya. Lina said, "You should check it to the near dentist in order to get well soon." Lina menyarankan supaya Tiara pergi ke dokter gigi agar cepat sembuh. Tiara said, "Oops, I'm sorry, I don't agree with you." Oh, maaf, saya nggak setuju denganmu. I'm afraid that the dentist will pull out my teeth using something. Saya takut dokter gigi akan menarik gigi saya menggunakan peralatan yang tajam. Then, Lina, what about buying medicine? Lina menyarankan lagi supaya membeli obat. Tiara said, "That's a good idea." Tiara menyetujui idenya Lina. Okay, student, we continue our lesson today. In our daily life, we may agree or disagree with somebody's opinion. There are many ways to express agreement and disagreement. For example, statement, response of agreement. The first statement, what if we hold a storytelling competition next year? And response of agreement, that's a good idea. I agree with you. Another example, Kuta Beach is a beautiful place in Bali. Response of agreement, yes, I agree. Then, we cannot use this program for our next project. Response, you are absolutely right. Then, we have to work hard on our wall magazine. Response of agreement, I couldn't agree with you more. I couldn't agree with you more artinya, saya sangat setuju dengan pendapatmu. Then, look at my new ring. Isn't it cool? The answer or the response of agreement, absolutely. It perfectly matches your finger. And the last example, I think it's going to rain. Response of agreement, no doubt about it. Okay, student, now look about statement and response of disagreement. For the first statement, we need to buy a new rubbish bin. For response of agreement, I don't think so. This one is still okay. Another statement, we have to demonstrate our product to citizens first. For response of disagreement, I don't agree with your opinion. The third example, I think we have to make a vacation in Lombok. For response of disagreement, no, I'm not sure about that. Then, do you agree with the result of the meeting yesterday? For response of disagreement, I'm afraid I disagree. The last example, I think this movie is really good. For response of disagreement, it says the exact opposite. Here are expressions to agree and disagree. Di sini ada beberapa contoh untuk menyatakan setuju dan tidak setuju. Statement, idea. Do you agree with my idea? Apakah kamu setuju dengan ide saya? Will you agree with my idea? Akankah kamu setuju dengan ide saya? Would you agree with it? Apakah kamu setuju dengan itu? I think people should care about their environment. Saya pikir orang-orang seharusnya menjaga lingkungan mereka. Then, about the suggestion, saran. We should grow more trees. Kita seharusnya menanam lebih banyak pohon. You should maintain the palace clean. Kamu seharusnya menjaga kebersihan istana. I think you should recycle the trash. Saya pikir kamu seharusnya mendaur ulang sampah. You'd better deposit trash to trash bank. Sebaiknya kamu menyetor sampah ke bank sampah. Oke kelas, this is agreeing. Ini adalah beberapa contoh ungkapan untuk menyatakan setuju. Yeah, I surely do. I agree. I completely agree. It is a good idea. I agree with you 100%. That's so true. That for sure. You are absolutely right. Absolutely. That's exactly how I feel. Exactly. I'm afraid I agree with James. I have to side with you on this one. No doubt about it. Class, this is some example how to express disagreement. Ini ada beberapa contoh cara mengekspresikan ketidaksetujuan. Okay, look at. No way. I totally disagree. I'd say the exact opposite. I'm afraid disagree. I beg to differ. No necessary. That's not always true. That's not always the case. No, I'm not sure about that. I don't think so. Okay class, I think it's enough our lesson today. I hope you always practice how to express agree and disagree with a suggestion or an idea. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.